Hey guys, it's me again. So we're gonna be playing Extreme Cars Driving Simulator. No, I wanna be this. No, I'm this one. I'm gonna. Drive. Point. What type of car is that? Doing randomly. I wonder if this car can be painted. This car has good turning. I'm gonna color it this. This color. This color. I'm just picking randomly. My car's painted. Yay! It's an off-road. Yeah. I need to go off-road. Whoa, what happened? So glitchy. That's one. Trying to look for 10. Delay. Perfect. Oh, glitch! Glitch! I think I found the link. Okay, this is a good one. The link! Found it. Ooh, I'll just get that for now. Oh no! just missed that. No. No. Come on. No. I'm gonna try to get that one. Whoa. My car's wrecked. Oh yeah, the lake. I almost forgot.
No, making video. Yeah, and skateboard. Yeah. More.
How long was the video?
Try to find the airport from here.
It's easy.
Just follow the trail.
Oh, I just crashed into a tree. Okay, good. There's one ledge right there.
What is that?
Okay, good.
Now we're destroying parts.
I want to get the Hummer. 3 out of 10. Go right through.
What the?
That's water.
Yeah, it didn't look like water.
Yeah. No. 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 From here. Oh, there it is. Going in the wrong place. Ah. Okay. This thing's so hard to get.
The glitch.
Oh yeah. The.
I
It's
believe
not
I can fly.
Okay. No, I'm still okay. Good. No. How do you even get that? I hate ads. Okay, bye guys. See you. Subscribe and